Welcome to Tokyo, Japan. Today we're taking a peaceful stroll through Kokyo Gaien National Garden, located right across from the Imperial Palace. This beautiful garden is a serene, open space dotted with meticulously maintained pine trees and trimmed lawns. It serves as a calm retreat in the middle of the bustling city. The garden, open to the public, offers a perfect place for a leisurely walk and to soak in the impressive surroundings of Japan's royal history. But before we head to the palace, let's drop by one of the garden's most iconic landmarks. This striking statue is of Kusunoki Masashige, a samurai from the 14th century who is remembered for his loyalty to Emperor Go-Daigo during the tumultuous Kamakura period. Masashige became a symbol of loyalty and sacrifice, famously giving his life for the emperor's cause. He is depicted here on horseback, ready for battle, a tribute to his unwavering loyalty. The statue serves as a reminder of Japan's long and storied history, especially significant here in the heart of the nation's capital. From Kokyo Gaien, it's just a short walk to Nijubashi Bridge, one of the most famous views of the Imperial Palace. Crossing the road, you'll notice the beautiful juxtaposition of Tokyo's modern skyline with the historic palace grounds. Nijubashi, also known as the Double Bridge, gets its name from the two-tiered structure of the original wooden bridge that once stood here. Today, this elegant stone bridge provides an iconic view of the palace, its reflection shimmering in the moat below. It's a perfect spot for photos. Beyond the bridge, the Imperial Palace stands proudly. Although it's not open to the public, the surrounding walls, gates, and the majestic scenery make this a must-visit site for anyone exploring Tokyo. Now let's pause to witness the changing of the guards, a formal yet understated ceremony that happens at the palace gates. The guards in traditional uniforms perform this routine with precision and discipline, honoring Japan's royal family. While not as elaborate as some other ceremonies around the world, the changing of the guards here carries deep cultural significance, symbolizing the protection and continuity of the Japanese monarchy. As we wrap up our tour, take a moment to reflect on the centuries of history that this palace represents, from the samurai loyalty of Kusunoki Masashige to the modern-day imperial family. This walk through Kokyo Gaien National Garden, Nijubashi Bridge, and the Imperial Palace grounds is a journey through Japan's past and present. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Until next time, sayonara!